Just look at this channel, it has gained over 7,000 subscribers with just 18 videos. And what is he uploading? These viral AI mechanical transformation videos. And the best part is that you can also create these videos using AI. Let's start. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPT and search Mechanical Toy Generator. Open it. Then click on Start the Generator. GPT will provide you 10 concepts. Choose the one you like. For example, I choose 10. GPT will provide you 2 image prompt and 1 video prompt. Copy the first prompt. And go to Flow AI, choose the aspect ratio and paste prompt. Click on Generate. GPT will generate you first image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt and paste and click on Generate. Once the images are ready, choose Frames to Video. Choose the first image as start and the second one as end. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt and paste it. Flow AI will generate you full video. Here is the final result.